We are in a big basketball stadium and never had such a big event at BASF.
It's an absolutely amazing experience to be part of such a huge event and launching Revysol, and to see all of this work of a decade actually coming to a peak.
Pirmas įspūdis, turiu pasakyti, vieną žodį angliškai cool, kitas žodis, kad vis tik tai čia šitam renginyje susirinkusi didžioji dalis Lietuvos publikos, tai reiškia, kad vis tik tai šitam renginyje susirinkę visi Lietuvos profesionalai.
It was a fantastic event, a lot of preparation, a historical moment because it was the biggest launch of a new product we have had.
Farming is the biggest job in the world, but maybe as well one of the most complex ones. And with Revysol, we hope at least that we can simplify growing cereals.
So this actually sets a milestone for all our countries and for the launch events which are currently ongoing in all our countries.
Man pačiam tai nėra įprasta ir aš žinau, kad tai nevyksta kasdien. Tai yra pirmas gyvenime toks pristatymas arba apskritai tikros revoliucijos paskelbimas.
The real value is where we collaborate and jointly develop that technology on eye level, actually with farmers, with distribution, and the experts of BASF.
The more we are close to customers, the more we are excited, and the more we learn, and we take the learnings back to the office and back to the lab and develop even better products in the future.
Pirmiausia yra bendravimas, visų antra tai yra diskusija ir visų trečia tai yra pagarba. Pagarba savo klientui, pagarba savo partneriui, nes tai yra mūsų partneriai.